Hello everyone, my name is Jameson from RJ Environment Solutions. Over the span of more than 10 years of being in the industry, we have positioned ourselves as a specialist in the kitchen exhaust realm. So basically, we focus more on smoke and odor issues, kitchen exhaust issues, and also indoor air quality. So today, we strongly believe in quality solutions, quality products, and quality service. And today we are really excited to bring to you our latest product, the Ventless Cooking Suite, or VCS in short. Let's go! Alright, so the VCS actually consists of two main components. On the top you see our cooking equipment, which is customizable to actually suit your very needs. For example, you can have an induction wok or even a noodle cooker if your food establishment requires for it. The second component is of course the self-contained portable kitchen countertop. So this is actually an all-in-one exhaust hood already. So all the smoke and fumes is being extracted into the machine and it goes through our air cleaner and releases it safely back into the environment. So the VCS actually comes in three different sizes: 1.2 meters, 1.6 meters, and 1.8 meters. And in today's demonstration, actually my colleague Yi will actually be whipping up some dishes. So we're actually using two deep fryers, one induction cooker, and a griddle flat plate for this demonstration today. Usage of the equipment is actually pretty straightforward. The knob turns the equipment on, and you can even set it at the temperature required. There's also a timer function and a constant temperature button as well to ease your cooking process. So in today's demonstration, we're actually cooking up some linguine pasta, as you can see. So we are cooking French fries in one of the deep fryers and also chicken nuggets in the other one. And last but not least, we have chicken chop that's on the flat plate griddle. So as you can see, there's actually a lot of smoke being produced, but all of it is being extracted into the VCS, as we speak, really quickly. And what happens is that it goes through our filtration system that's directly at the bottom here. And the air from the cooking exhaust is actually released back into the environment safely. In fact, our VCS has an efficiency rate of up to 95% for smoke, odor, and fumes. So cleaning up is actually pretty simple as well. So for the griddle flat plate, there's actually a drain pan here. So of course, after scraping out all the excess oil, take this out. And for the deep fryer, there are two knobs here, in which after you turn them, you can actually drain out all the oil. Of course, for the countertop, you just need to do a simple wipe down. And last but not least, at the very bottom, which is the exhaust portion, you just need to clear out the drain pan. So with that, RJ Environment and myself would like to thank you for the time watching this and wish you a pleasant day.